Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on Myspace. If you want to create a post on Myspace, then keep watching the video till the end since we'll be learning on how you can create a good post on Myspace quick and easy. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you want to create a post on Myspace, open up your web browser. You can open up any web browser you want. Simply go to www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged into your Myspace account, and once you are, go and click on the stream tab located at the left hand side of the screen. Now, you can go ahead and start typing into the what's the latest text box. At the start of your stream screen, type in anything that you would want in order to create a post, and once you are done, you can click on the post button in order to create a post. But keep in mind that a post can only have a song, video, link, or photo. You won't be able to combine all of those in one single post. You can add in the music by clicking on the music link and type in the name of the song. In the suggestion that pops up, simply give it a click and you'll be able to add a song on your post. Similarly, you can also add a location by clicking on the location icon. Decide if you want to share your post on your Facebook or your Twitter. If you do, simply click on either of these social networking site links appearing right beside the post button. Finally, after you are done, click on the post button and you'll be able to create a post right away. That is how you'll be able to create a post on Myspace. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.